Mat Armstrong, the biggest automobile YouTuber in the world, purchases crashed high-end vehicles and then take his viewers on a journey to rebuild and modify them. Born into the grease and gears of England, Mat Armstrong's journey into the realm of automotive excellence began long before he ever hit the accelerator. Raised by a skilled mechanic father, Mat's DNA was infused with a love for cars from day one. From humble beginnings with 1993 Ford Fiesta Mark III, marking the beginning of his automotive journey, his journey led him to the fast lane of YouTube fame, where his passion for automotive excellence captured the hearts of millions. Well, hold on to your seats, because today, we're taking you on a thrilling ride through the remarkable world of Mat Armstrong and his jaw-dropping car collection that will leave you breathless. Number 1. 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564. Currently, Mat is rebuilding a wrecked BMW M3 that crashed into a house, which we'll discuss in detail in this video. But previously, Mat transformed a Lamborghini into an absolute monster in just 10 days. It's no ordinary ride. With a push-performance twin-turbo kit by Re-Performance, this beast boasts an impressive 850 bhp, a significant upgrade from its factory 552 bhp. With an operated fuel pump located behind the seats. But the upgrades don't stop there. Sporting a striking satin Arctic camo wrap with a bold gloss orange stripe, this Gallardo commands attention wherever it goes. And with added practicality for European road trips, including an air suspension system and a roof box, Mat has turned this supercar into a versatile road warrior. From cruising through Monaco to tearing up the highways, this Lamborghini, worth $175,000, is in a league of its own. Number 2. 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. The next vehicle in Mat Armstrong's car collection is his gorgeous 2019 Aston Martin Vantage, which he bought for only half its market value at just $64,000. But the repair of this wrecked car turned out to be one of the most expensive repairs he has ever attempted. Isn't this crazy? Initially, the car had a small front-end knock with no headlights and a damaged bonnet, as you all can see, due to which he had to go through tons of challenges due to the complexity of this British supercar and the availability of OEM parts he had to acquire. But Mat, being a prodigy in this field, didn't give us even a single second to be disappointed in his skills. After 4 months of hard work, Aston Martin concluded his work. With a bright satin orange wrap, the Vantage looked exactly like any other Vantage on the road. Aston Martin's technician, James, went through the standard servicing procedures, such as replacing the car's air and oil filters. Mat has also fitted a range of aftermarket parts, including carbon fiber bonnet vents from an ex-Aston Martin GT3 car, making this a very unique build. Those familiar with Mat's videos will definitely know that the Vantage has been one of the most challenging rebuilds on his YouTube channel. Number 3. 2007 Maserati GranTurismo. Mat Armstrong's 2007 Maserati GranTurismo stands out as one of his most extensively customized vehicles. Mat went all out, equipping it with a complete Liberty Walk body kit and Airex air suspension, giving the Italian Grand Tourer a distinctive appearance. Renowned for its incredible sound, thanks to the F136 V8 engine developed through a collaboration between Ferrari and Maserati, this car boasts a pedigree shared with icons like the Ferrari 430, Ferrari 458, and the Alfa Romeo 8C. Yet, Mat wasn't content with the stock exhaust note. He opted for a bespoke, straight-piped exhaust system to elevate the GranTurismo's sound to new heights. A day before it was involved in a horrible accident, causing extreme damages, despite the tragedy, Mat showcased his exceptional repair skills, surprising viewers with the car's restoration. Adding to its uniqueness are the custom alloy wheels, a collaborative design between Mat and Projects Design, featuring an impressive -81 mm offset. With its striking modifications and incredible craftsmanship, this GranTurismo undoubtedly steals the spotlight wherever it goes. Number 4. 2012 Toyota GT86. Purchased at a steal for a mere $4,700, the 2012 Toyota GT86 stands out as potentially the most budget-friendly addition to Mat Armstrong's car collection, arriving to him in a wrecked state. Yet, with the assistance of Tavarish, Mat has transformed this Japanese sports car into an awe-inspiring drift machine. starting from when he acquired the damaged vehicle from a Copart auction just last year. Now adorned with a complete Rocket Bunny wide body kit and equipped with Japan racing alloys, the GT86 exudes a menacing presence on the road. Mat also opted for a budget-friendly aftermarket exhaust, priced at just £350, $415, providing the GT86's engine with a much-needed boost in sound. However, after realizing he lacked the time to fully enjoy the car, Mat made the heartfelt decision to gift it to someone who could appreciate it more, and it turned out to be his cameraman. The reaction was simply priceless. How would you have responded if you were in their shoes? Let us know in the comments. Number 5. Porsche 718 Cayman. One of the newest additions to Mat Armstrong's car collection is his 2017 718 Cayman S, which was most likely involved in a rollover accident, according to Mat's first inspection. At the time of purchase, this particular Porsche was the cheapest 718 Cayman S in the country, worth $62,000, and had a plethora of damages for Mat to fix, requiring extensive attention. Subsequently, Mat undertook a comprehensive restoration project, transforming the Cayman to resemble a Cayman GT4, complete with a vibrant orange paint job, customized wheels, and a sleek flush fitment across the vehicle. Number 6. 2015 Range Rover Vogue. This Range Rover stands as the only SUV in Mat Armstrong's eclectic collection. Just like many of his other vehicles, Mat acquired this Range Rover in a horrible condition, with smashed windows, a damaged bonnet, and whatnot. Since then, Mat has been rebuilding it as part of a series of videos for his YouTube channel. Through countless hours of sweat and determination, Mat replaced smashed windows, fixed the dashboard, and even upgraded to a 2018 Range Rover look. He even wrapped this beauty in satin black, giving it a sleek and menacing look. But he didn't stop there. He headed over to Wheelmania to pick up some custom 23-inch alloys, which are absolute showstoppers, turning it into a jaw-dropping masterpiece. From its menacing satin black exterior to its luxurious interior, this Range Rover is a true reflection of dedication and passion. Number 7. 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago. One of the wildest cars in Mat Armstrong's car collection is the Lamborghini Murcielago, which had not been running for over 7 years. The Lamborghini Murcielago had always been desired by Mat Armstrong. Mat purchased the vehicle from Everyman Racing, which had 2 non-running Murcielagos up for sale. He received the engine separately from the vehicle with the hopes of fixing it to its original condition. This beast cost $330,000 and has a 6.2-liter V12, producing 580 GP, capable of accelerating this machine to 60 miles per hour in only 3.6 seconds. When YouTuber Mat Armstrong embarked on the adventure of buying a used Lamborghini Murcielago for a rebuild project, little did he know he was in for a rollercoaster ride. In their latest YouTube video, Mat Armstrong and his team took on the challenge of fixing up their Lamborghini Murcielago after a wild trip to Monaco. Despite its filthy exterior and a few cosmetic flaws, the real issue remained an oil leak that needed fixing. With each hurdle they faced, they showcased the true spirit of automotive enthusiasts, resilient, resourceful, and always up for a challenge. Number 8. E24 BMW 635 CSI. If you have seen the rare barn finds video from this channel, then you must know the pain of watching the car we dreamt of day and night, rotting in a mere forest, covered with leaves and dust. Once again, Mat Armstrong stood up to our expectations after restoring a barn find classic BMW E24 635 CSI and giving new life to it. Although the car is not crash damaged, it has suffered a fair bit of neglect for about 20 years and was bought by Mat as a non-runner. From troubleshooting electrical issues to finally getting the engine running after thorough diagnosis and replacement of various components, including the ignition coil, it's been quite a journey with the E24 BMW 635 CSI. The automatic gearbox was deemed unfit and promptly removed, making way for a manual gearbox sourced from a BMW E125 series. As the dust settles and the engine roars to life once more, Mat Armstrong has not only revived the BMW E24 635 CSI, but also reignited the dreams of enthusiasts everywhere. Number 9. Porsche 911 GT3. Rebuilding a Porsche GT3, one of the best cars Porsche has ever made, was the best opportunity for Mat. He bought a wrecked Porsche 911 GT3, which was involved in a big accident in the US and was previously owned by YouTuber Adam LZ. The front subframe, suspension components, and even the carbon ceramic brake discs were replaced. Every step required attention to detail and careful precision. Though initial trials revealed issues with the cooling system, he remained undeterred. The process involved intricate tasks such as reassembling the door, adjusting the window, mounting the rear bumper, and installing the rear lights. He had been flying back and forth to bring parts and finally fix the GT3 for good. Each step brought them closer to completion. Even after some setbacks like missing parts and minor electrical issues, they tackled each problem with determination and got a green flag from Porsche themselves. Despite lingering concerns, the joy of seeing the car back on the road was immeasurable. Number 10. BMW M3. Mat has never repaired anything this bad before. 10 months ago, Mat found a wrecked BMW M3 that had only driven 400 meters and even had plastic wraps on it. It had crashed into a house terribly, leaving it in horrible condition. The rear screen was smashed, the front windows were cracked, and the headlights, bumper, bonnet, and front wing were all damaged. Despite the significant damage incurred from crashing into a house, Mat saw potential in the car and decided to take on the ambitious project of fixing it under budget. Let's see if he can live up to his viewers' expectations like usual, or if fate has something else in store. Only time will tell. Undoubtedly, Mat Armstrong boasts one of the most distinctive car collections among UK automotive YouTubers. It'll be really cool to see the future additions that will grace his garage, adding more flavor to his upcoming adventures. Which ride stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to delve deeper into the fascinating world of millionaire car collections, all conveniently gathered in one location.